Hey, I'm making my week 5 or 6, I forget which one, progress report. So basically, this week, all I've really done, well, not all, but what I've been trying to do is implement a tower upgrade system, and it's proven extremely difficult. And I think we've, as a group, realized that we're going to have to make some pretty fundamental changes to our code. So basically, how we've got it right now is we've got um, a loop here, basically, and this is in our tower manager JS file. And we're just constantly looping through, seeing what inputs are pressed, and then let's say they press Q to spawn a tower. Then what we do is we call the spawn tower function, which is in the spawn tower JavaScript file. Now when I go here, this basically is what controls, what tower we spawn, gets all the data into the tower. And initially, our plan for this was that, hey, we don't have to create a bunch of individual tower files if we just kind of all have it um, in one file. And this was the result of our refactoring. The issue is that this was not built with upgrading a tower in mind. So, like we had all of the damage values hard coded. We had all of the missile speed values hard coded. Hard coded. We had all of the costs hard coded. And basically, what we've realized is that we have our game doesn't know, um, or essentially, our game is making decisions that it can't make yet before we place the tower, which means that just fundamentally, I pretty much just not going to work. So we're going to have to massively refactor our code here to implement this upgrade feature. What I'm thinking we should probably do is see, because the way it works right now is we've got this. We're basically spawning a tower to browse through uh, our game. Like when you press Q, you can see this in my previous video. You press Q, you can scroll the tower around the map, and then press Enter to place the tower. When we press Q, we're basically creating a tower, and then the Enter is really just the placement. So what I think we need to do is really just fully separate the creation of the tower and the scrolling. I want the scrolling to kind of be its own thing that isn't, actually spawning a tower, because that's really what's messing us up. Is that when we spawn that first tower to browse the places you can put it, we can't edit the values after we've spawned it, so we can't upgrade. And um, I think that's really the main issue. So basically, what I'm going to be doing over the next week is, along with JR, probably just refactoring a lot of this code, changing kind of fundamentally the way we do things. And then I think once we have the upgrade towers in, we're going to add a score screen, and the rest of the development will probably just be balancing the game and asset creation. So really, that's kind of where we're at. And yeah, that's pretty much it.